How to change your Zooba language. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are playing Zooba and want to change the language used in the game, firstly open up the Zooba game on your device and from the main menu screen, go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now you'll come across this settings menu where you need to go ahead and click on region. Inside region, tap the drop down right next to language and choose a different language you want to change to for your interface. After making your selection, click on confirm and your language setting will immediately change. So that is how you change your interface language setting in Zooba. You can repeat this step for every other language change you want to make. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.